Hello. So after many months, maybe I have put on some mask on my face because off late the trend is gone masking and all. But now I do see one or two sponsorship videos on Instagram from Thrive Concepts and all of that. Um People who are masking now. I think they're trying to bring back the trend. Somehow I was a person who uploaded like many concoctions of how you can mask and you know how you can mix different powders and start using it like maybe weekly twice or thrice, etc. But somehow now I myself don't mask. Neither am I skincare junkie now. I'm kind of like out of skincare only, but every now and then I'm doing a bit. um, why I have moved out of masking and what I've done from the past almost 1.5 year is that I've been only using something called as the LED mask. Okay, so this one I got from the United States. In India also these days you do see the trend of it, and so I believe that this particular one is, okay, I have the mask here. Is the new trend or say new era of masking, and this is even more scientifically backed up. Having said that, you need not leave your the ancient Indian style of masking. I've put up this kasturi turmeric after many months, and I get that feel of culture and that touch of past, which I totally enjoy. Of course, it is definitely helpful for facial hair and masks, and it just brightens. It gives you that relaxing feeling, which I definitely love. But having said that, I was not using this mask from the time I shifted to this house and I was in this walk and all, say from past 3 months. But otherwise, from 2019 December to 2020 December, I was using this mask weekly, twice or thrice at least, depending on the requirement. Now I use it. I mostly this has almost 7 colors. Uh, of course, again, I don't use all the colors. This basic one is white, and what each color does, that everything you can find in internet or any other medium. There are many videos on this, but in India it's difficult to get, or I don't know about the authenticity of this. Maybe I'm sure you must have seen companies like cropping up now. All the companies, like, it started from Reequel and Recast. Now you have many companies like Deconstruct, Dermaco, Bodywise, Minimalist, who are bringing more and more scientific backup products. So hopefully, I'm sorry, in future also these kind of devices will also come into the Indian market, if not flooded. But quality and promising things have come into market. I strongly believe that everybody will encourage it. I've had this from almost 1.5 year, and I have no problem with this. I mostly go with red one, which is you can. Okay, this is how it is. You can increase the intensity of it as needed. There are 5 modes in this particular one, and I use it on 3 for 10 minutes, and immediately I move either to green. Green is good for pigmentation, or blue, but blue is something I don't do because I feel I have that feeling of that it'll affect my eyes. So when you use blue, maybe then you have to just close your eyes. But for people who have, like a red blood acne, it definitely blue helps in killing that bacteria. Once you go to the doctor's office, they do a simple hydrofacial, or say any other oxy infusion facial and all. These days people are visiting dermatologists in Hyderabad at least to get those facials done, and the end of the therapy they give you this light mask. This particular yellow is good for freckles and all. It's known to be very soothing for freckles. It kills the pigment down, melanin, and each of the light has different nanometers of wavelength, which is mentioned here on the box. But this and the blue color, this cane blue color is um, useful for redness on the skin that you have because of rosacea, etc. Another color that it has is this one with purple color. It is known for detoxification and for clearance of lymph nodes. I barely use all of these colors, but I do use red regularly, my style of using, and I couple it up with another 5-10 minutes with any other color. But these days I'm not doing. I'm going to restart this again. My personal suggestion to you people would be, these things, of course, we never know if the turmeric is ever going into the skin or not. Honestly, that's my question. I always have that question in my mind because we're putting it on the skin, and somehow I stopped believing in the concept that it would just deep down, it will go down into dermis. But these particular ones with the different nanometers of wavelength are definitely known to go and penetrate into the skin and they do show effects with consistent usage. You can use the red light for hair also, if you have like lowering and thinning density of your hair, etc. I personally suggest that instead you go for such facials, or you go to a doctor's office and hide a facial or something. I think they charge around 2,000 or so. Instead, what you can do is invest in these sort of things, and you can use it daily, literally with no side effects. It helps you with melasma, it will help you with fine lines. This project eBeauty itself has a study proving they've done on a client. She has used it consistently, both the red and blue lights, and you can see it on the internet. That's one of the reasons why I've got this. It really helps you with crow's feet, etc. I've got this red light and one specifically not only for this all these aesthetic purposes, but because of some headache issues I had, I got this. But this is if I use it like continuously and all, it will give beautiful results. So I am recording this on March 29. Maybe I'll do it for another 10 days, and I'll try and upload a video on April 10th with this thing. Or something like that. We'll do a challenge, and if you think it is making a difference, I'll try and do 1 month challenge with this, with the what lights I'm using, etc., so that you can see the progress. And if you are willing to buy, instead that you invest on those so-called at office dermafacials and cleaning and all of that, I feel you should invest on this. This is around $100, and it's worth every penny that you're investing in it, and it will last you for years if you carefully use it. So this is my small suggestion. And this is a new era of masking. There was a time that people used to use that paper sheet masks. I have never ever used in my life one single sheet mask, and everybody in my YouTube channel used to pinch and ask me, I'm using that, it's very hydrating, should I use it, etc., and all of that. But honestly, that is something like an aloe vera or any other hyaluronic acid or any other extract that you're just putting on the skin, and only a bit of it will be into the stratum corneum of it, and the dryness will be gone, and you feel some kind of plump and hydration. Other than that, it doesn't do anything to your skin. It only removes that instant tired feeling that you've had, all that you carried all through the day. And that became such a big business. Now people don't buy them, and every company is into it with different there's sets and numbers of those sheet masks. Even it is bringing big companies also like Garnier and L'Oreal into those businesses. Honestly, rather you buy all of that, you better invest in these things. There are other devices also that you can invest in, like microcurrents, etc., which are really good, and they do bring you results. I hope to get microcurrent device someday. Then I'll make a video on this. But you have any thoughts about it, or you want to know anything about it, you can let me know in the comment box. As I said, this April month I'll do an update sort of a video with this, so that you will know, or at least even I will have more conviction once I make a commitment on the screen, on the video, and it just pushes me to use it daily. So I'm planning to use it daily, and then I'll show you how it's going to come. It's my purpose of using this is not, you might see the external results of my skin, but I'm using it for, because to relieve stress and all. This helps, red light helps so much, so for that also I use it. I usually use it for that only, but it has aesthetic benefits also if you want to really make use out of it. So that will be, I use it for that purpose, and I'll show you for this purpose also. Thank you for watching, and hope you switch the new era of masking.